Hello friend, today we are studying culture in beverages. Part first, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number first. By Rohini Sudhakar Chavan, NES Science College, Nanded. Bearing farming, shower, based on aquaculture. Bearing farming is a shore-based aquaculture introduction. Beverages are the shore-based aquaculture. Coast brackish water aquaculture is practiced in many countries. There are various methods of a traditional culture system based on the local condition. Shrimp culture is the main attraction for the culture system. Some other fishes and other organisms like a crab, bivalve, seaweed are also formed. This type of culture system is mainly found in Southeast Asia. Brewery. In this system of culture, a tidal water is improved in a intertidal malt fault by the rising burns. Tidal water with all the assorted fish, crustacean and other organism seed is allowed to through source gate during the spring tides. Harvesting of a marketable size fish and other organisms is done regularly during the spring tide, though trap placed near the source gate. There is no need for a manufacture and feeding. The average production of this type of system is about 5,500 to 750 kg per hectare. Brewery mean may be defined as embanked water by the depth of 2 to 5 feet, area about 200 to 250 acres. They are generally a storing tank where the fishes are grown without supplying any supplementary food. In India, they are best developed in a state of West Bengal, which may be classified into a brackish water and freshwater categories. Brewery culture. The brewery culture, a rice field of a zero point 0.1 hectare area, may be economical. Normally, a 4 rice plot of a 250 meter square to 25 to into 10 meter each may be formed in such area. The each plot is a Dutch of a 2.75 width and 0.5 meter depth dug. A duck like disclosing the rice plot may be 0.3 meter height and 0.3 meter width and strengthening by the embracing straw. The ditches have connection with a main supply or a drain canal or either side of which the rice plot and located through the inlet outlet structure of a dike. The depth and width of the supply drain canal may be slightly smaller than that of a ditches. The suitable bamboo pipe screen placed in an inlet and outlet structure to avoid the entry of predator fish and escaping of a fish under the culture. Ditches serve not only a rugged when the fish not foraging among the rice bed, but also serve a capture canal in which fish collect when the water level goes down. The fish, especially with which are cultured in the beverages. The fish species which could be cultured in a rice field must be captured and tolerating shallow water 25 cm, high temperature up to the 35 degree, low dissolving oxygen, high turbidity. The species such as Katla katla, Labiorohita, Cirrus myrgilla, Cyprinus scarpio, Kinocors, Oreo crow, Mio samibius, Murgal and Calibrachicus, Katla katla, Cyprinus myrgilla. Non-brewery saline water brewery are broadly known as non-buries. These are size is 50 to 200 2000 badges. Three category of non-bury fish farm: Abbas statanus, Ocrinimus, Labiorohit. Non-bury paddy cum fish culture. Fish primarily produced by the non-bury fish cum paddy culture. These are the blackish water bury. The low saline water bury are known blackish water bury, a traditional blackish water fish and brown prawn culture used in a paddy field in India. Fry India, the field at high tide and prevent from the innewing by the mesh net at the shores. Mulls and the mulls are harvested in December in growth from October, when the rice is harvested and field turn over the fish culture. Type of the brackish water bury: the penile brackish water bury, fish cum paddy culture bury, and paddy cum fish culture bury. Thank you.